Welcome back to Chakravardka YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make fixed discounts for your B2B customers on your Shopify Wholesale store. So, for this, we're using an app called B2B Wholesale Discount from Shopify App Store. I'll attach the app link in the description of this video so you can check it out. So, after installing the app, you have an option here, create a new customer group. So think of you have a customers with different tiers. For example, you have gold customers, you have silver customers according to your different criterias, right? Most of the stores will have these things, right? So I'm making a fixed discount for your gold customers. Gold, I'm just giving it gold custom group, tag it by, like, you might have a customer tag like gold for those customers. You can use that customer tag, or you can use the amount spent. So for example, you only give gold tag or gold customers, like if they purchase like $2,000 products for like $2,000 order products from your store, then only it should be gold. Like if they have that much criteria, you can use that one also, right? So I'm just currently using the gold tag, and you can select on which products only these customers get offers, right? The fixed price. So I think it's better for fixed price. We can use one or two products and just giving two products, right? And you can toggle on this one, and instead of percentage, you can give fixed, and you can give it something like 200 off a fixed, right? And see the changes. This is only for gold. So we can make for the silver or VIP. So I'm just making for VIP customer group. So we'll make custom group, and the taggers are given as VIP tag, right? And you can give for all this custom products. I think for VIP, you can give all products a discount and change to fixed amount. So this will be the fixed. So on all products, can give 100 off for VIP customers, and you can give also minimum purchase amount, or I think the minimum quantity should be better. Can be 20 quantity minimum to be purchased. Then they'll get a fixed of $1,000, right? So that should be a good deal for the VIP customers, so you can save it. So the discounts is currently active. You can see all discounts here, and also you will be able to see it in the discount section, right? So this is how you can do it. So yeah, this is how you can easily manage your fixed discount with custom. You can create a customer group and discount for that. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.